Okay. Here we go. We're bringing in a 2x6 as listed as a beam. We're going to change cross-sectional rotation to 90 degrees. Okay. And I made a couple changes here. For my Y justification, I changed it to left. Okay. And this is just origin, left, center, right. I changed it to left. And then my Z justification, I changed to center. That should pop your 2x6 up so that it's laying on top of the top of foundation wall level. If not, then you can change the offset values or you can change this to right. Depends on which way it rotated it, okay? Which is, depends on which way you drew it. Okay, so now we want to align that bad boy with the center of our beam. And I think we can center beam, center of wood, and we'll lock that, okay? And now let's come back to this view, and we want to drag the ends of it out until it meets with the edge of my sill plate. And this end, it's going to meet with, we'll go with the edge of the wall. We may end up changing that at a later time. We'll have to see how it looks. Okay. All right. So that got that one. Now, oh, mm, hmm, hmm, hmm. That beam is up in the floor system, but it's not. Oh, there it shows when I select. What we'll end up doing is when we get done with this thing, we'll end up hiding that floor. I think that is what we'll end up doing. Okay. So this beam, I've got to come back and edit that beam so that it doesn't go through. I got to edit the wood part. I thought I had actually locked that thing. I'm not seeing a lock because I need it to there. That's where I need it at. Okay. And then we'll put another one on the opposite side. Now let's see, this beam here was a 12 by 22. So we would use a 2 by 4 on top of that beam. So we'll go ahead and do another 2 by 6. Okay, so I'm not going to try and, because it wants to snap to the center of the beam. Because we're doing beams, usually beams go center to center. I can't match up with that though. Move my section view down so I can see what I got going on here. All right. that, 90. Um, and Z center. Okay, and now I can align that. No. What I want to use is the end offset there, or extension. There we go. That worked. Okay. And so now you're going to want to do the same thing across this beam with a 2x4, but we want to split it right there in the middle because these beams are welded on top. And I think, let's see how it works. Oh, you may not be able to see it until you hide that beam there. But if we take this and if we go hide it in the view, move my section back. Oh, I'm into the 11-inch floor there. That will work perfectly. Okay, so do this 4-inch beam or 2x4 on top of this beam, and I will catch you in the next one.